This is the brand new special edition 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS tribute to Carrera RS. This car is celebrating the 50th anniversary of the 1973 Carrera RS and comes finished in white and python green, equipped with the weissach package and forged magnesium wheels as standard, and this car has the ceramic composite brakes as well. Now this car is part of the Porsche exclusive manufacturer program, but it is limited to the United States, which Porsche says is the second home of the 911, hence there's a little flag on the rear wing. Now the Extreme GT3 RS features a ton of changes, all functional and directed for improving track times, which the RS has 3 times the downforce of the standard GT3 and is 10.6 seconds faster around the nurburgring, which is huge. Now up front, the Frunk is gone, and in its place is a massive radiator which helps free up room for the front active diffuser and aero wishbones, which add 88 more pounds of downforce. The body features a variety of added vents and cuts throughout to accommodate the wider turbo body, and it is unique to the GT3 RS. In the back, we have a massive spoiler, which is actually the tallest point on the car, but more importantly, features active DRS or drag reduction system to reduce aero in straights. And that's a pretty cool feature, as it actually does it automatically, and it's the type of stuff that you see in Formula 1. Now, power comes from the naturally aspirated 4-liter flat 6, producing 518 horsepower and 342 pound-feet of torque, and the RS engine makes 16 more horsepower than the standard GT3, but also receives improved oil cooling in a unique cylinder head to keep oil under lateral force. The flat 6 is paired with a 7-speed PDK transmission, which is based on the standard 8-speed but removes the top gear, saving 45 pounds because it doesn't need it. It's a freeway gear, and it sends power to the rear wheels. Now, the car weighs 3,268 pounds, which is in part thanks to lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction, which unfortunately also increases the cost. The GT3 RS achieves 0 to 60 in 3 seconds with a top speed of 184 miles per hour, which is lower due to the added aero, but you would buy a turbo if all you cared about was top speed. Now, prices for the RS Tribute start at $314,000, which is about $70,000 more than the base GT3 RS, and this car has some added options along with those carbon ceramics, which are at about $11,000, but a lot of that is absorbed in the options that come standard, like the weissach package, and of course, those super awesome magnesium wheels. Now, the RS Tribute also includes a python green magnesium watch, but all RS purchases will come with a magnesium watch, and it also includes a 1/43 scale replica of the 73 Carrera RS and the RS Tribute, along with a variety of other goodies, of course, which are all finished in python green. And as a fun fact, the original python green color was actually called Viper Green, so enjoy that. If you guys enjoyed the video, could hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.